Welcome to our channel. Stop guessing. Get funded with a proven system. Stick around for practical steps, myths busted, and real funding paths. Let's dive in. Funding feels like a locked door. You know there's a world of opportunity on the other side. Growth, impact, the chance to build something that matters. But you're stuck on the outside, fumbling for a key that you don't have. You've been told it's all about who you know, or that you need a perfect pitch deck blessed by a Silicon Valley guru. You're guessing, you're stressing, and you're probably wasting your most valuable asset, time. What if I told you that finding funding isn't an art, it's a system? A clear step-by-step process that anyone can follow. In this video, we're going to climb a problem-solution ladder together. We'll dismantle the 5 biggest funding hurdles that every founder faces, from having nothing but an idea in a notebook to scaling a company with millions in revenue. For each stage, we'll expose the common myth that holds people back, give you concrete, actionable steps to take right now, and show you exactly where to look for money. No more guessing, no more locked doors. By the end of this, you'll have the keys. Let's get started. Problem 1. The 0 to 1 stage. You've got a brilliant idea, maybe even a name and a logo, but your budget is exactly 0. The myth here is that you need to raise money to start, that you need a pre-seed check to even begin building. This is the single biggest lie in the startup world. Your first action isn't to write a business plan, it's to validate. Before you spend a dime or write a line of code, you need to find out if anyone actually wants what you're selling. The solution? Talk to 20 potential customers. Not your mom, not your best friend. Real, unbiased people who have the problem you think you're solving. Ask them about their pain, not about your solution. Listen more than you talk. Next, build a no-code demo. Use tools like Card for a landing page, or Figma for a clickable prototype. The goal isn't a perfect product, it's a tangible thing you can put in front of people to gauge their reaction. Does their face light up? Do they ask, "When can I use this?" Finally, the ultimate validation, pre-sell. Ask for the money. It can be a $50 deposit for your first batch of products or a $10 pre-order for your software. This is terrifying, but it's the moment of truth. If 3 people, just 3, are willing to pay you for something that doesn't exist yet, you don't just have an idea anymore. You have a business. You've created your own funding. Your micro CTA is simple. This week, schedule your first 3 customer interviews. That's it. Go. Problem 2. The first real money. You validated your idea, you have a handful of paying customers, but to build a real MVP, a minimum viable product, and get it into more hands, you need a bit of cash. We're talking a few thousand, maybe up to $50,000. The myth is that you need to find a professional angel investor. You start Googling how to find angel investors and fall down a rabbit hole of cold emails and awkward LinkedIn messages. Stop. That's not your game yet. Your first stop is the cheapest capital on earth. Your own. This is your savings. But, and this is critical, set a hard cap. Decide on a number you are willing to lose completely without it ruining your life. This is your tuition for startup school. Next, look for non-dilutive funding. This is money you don't have to pay back or give up equity for. Think micro grants. Every city, state, and industry has them. There are grants for female founders, for minority-owned businesses, for sustainable tech. They're often small, $1,000 here, $5,000 there, but they add up, and they're a powerful signal. Then, consider crowdfunding. This is validation on steroids. For physical products, Kickstarter and Indiegogo are the kings. For creators, writers, or community builders, Patreon is your platform. And if you're ready to bring on actual investors but want to do it publicly, equity crowdfunding platforms like WeFunder or Republic allow you to raise from your own community. Imagine your most passionate users becoming your first investors. How powerful is that? Your micro CTA. Find and apply for 1 micro grant this month. The act of applying will force you to clarify your story. Problem 3. The angel round. Okay, things are working. You have an MVP, you have early traction. Maybe you've hit 5K or 10K in monthly recurring revenue, but you feel the market pulling you forward. And you need to pour gas on the fire. You need speed. This is where you might raise $100K to $500K. The myth that any angel with a checkbook is a good angel. You get a warm intro to a wealthy dentist who dabbles in tech, and you're so desperate for the cash you're ready to sign anything. This is a trap. The right money comes with more than just dollars. Your action is to target operators in your niche, not random rich people. Who are the founders who successfully built and sold a company in your space? Who are the early VPs of product or engineering at companies you admire? These are operator angels. They bring not just capital, but a network, credibility, and advice that is worth 10x the amount on the check. They've solved the exact problems you're about to face. How do you reach them? With a tight 8 to 10 slide deck. No fluff, just the core story. Problem, solution, market size, traction, business model, moat, plan, team, and the ask. Your traction slide is the most important. Show, don't just tell. A graph going up and to the right is the most beautiful thing in the world to an investor. And make the ask specific. Don't say, "We need money to grow." Say, "We're raising $250,000 to give us 18 months of runway to hire 2 engineers and a marketer, which will allow us to hit $50,000 in monthly recurring revenue." See the difference? One is a wish, the other is a plan. Your micro CTA. Identify 5 dream operator angels in your industry. Don't contact them yet. Just make the list. Problem 4. Scaling with venture capital. You've found product market fit. You're growing fast, maybe 20% month over month, and you're staring at a massive billion-dollar market. To capture it, you need to scale fast. This is the stage for a multi-million-dollar round. The myth is that venture capital is the only real way to build a big company, that it's the ultimate validation. The truth is, VC is a specific type of fuel for a specific type of engine. It's rocket fuel. And if you put rocket fuel in a car, it explodes. You must understand VC math. A venture fund needs to return 3 to 5x its entire fund to its own investors. That means for every investment they make, they're hoping it can return 100x. They are not looking for a nice, profitable $20 million business. They are hunting for unicorns. If your ambition isn't to dominate a massive market and have a billion-dollar outcome, VC is the wrong fuel for you. And that's okay. Your action is to choose your fuel wisely. If you have predictable sales and don't want to give up much equity, consider revenue-based financing. Companies like Pipe or FounderPath will give you cash today based on your future recurring revenue. If you need to finance inventory or cover the gap between invoicing and getting paid, look into smart debt or venture debt. It's cheaper than equity. Match the money to the mission. Are you building a kingdom or trying to conquer the world? Your answer determines your funding strategy. Your micro CTA. Research one revenue-based financing provider and see if you qualify. Knowledge is power. Problem 5. The process is a nightmare. You're in the thick of it. You're getting some interest, but investors are asking for a mountain of documents, a process called due diligence. And worse, you're getting a lot of no's. It feels personal, and it's draining your soul. The myth is that a no is a final judgment on your idea, or that you should only prepare for due diligence when an investor asks. This reactive approach is what kills deals and founders' morale. Your first action is to build a data room now, before you even start pitching. This is your single source of truth. It's a folder with everything an investor could possibly want to see. Your financials, P&L, bank statements, your ownership structure, the cap table, your metrics, customer pipeline, churn and retention data, customer acquisition cost, and lifetime value calculations, your legal docs and your product roadmap. Keep it clean, current, and credible. When an investor asks for this, you send a link in 5 minutes. This signals that you are a professional, organized operator. It builds immense trust. Your second action is to treat no as data. Track every objection you get. Is it the price? Is the market too small? Is your pitch unclear? Log it. After 5 or 10 meetings, patterns will emerge. A no isn't a rejection. It's a free consulting session. They are telling you exactly what you need to fix to get to yes. And for the investors who say maybe later or it's too early, don't let them go cold. Turn them into your update list. Every month, send a one-paragraph email with your key metric, a recent win, and a small ask. You're not asking for money. You're showing them your progress. You're building a line of people waiting to invest. Momentum converts. Your micro CTA. Create an empty folder on your computer named Data Room and add just one document to it today. So let's bring it all together. The bottom line is this: funding follows traction. Stop chasing money and start creating proof. You start with the smallest, most powerful form of traction: customers. You use that proof to ladder up to non-dilutive grants and crowdfunding. You use that momentum to attract the right operator angels who bring expertise along with their capital. And only then, when you're ready to scale, do you choose the right high-octane fuel, whether that's VC, revenue-based financing, or smart debt. At every step of the ladder, you are leading with proof. When you do that, the dynamic shifts. You're no longer begging for money. You're offering an opportunity. And if you bring proof, money finds you. So, if this system helped unlock the path for you, give this video a like and subscribe for more no-nonsense startup advice. And I want you to answer this in the comments. Based on where you are right now, what is the single next proof point you are going to build this week? Let's make it real. Now go build. Enjoyed this? Subscribe for weekly funding strategies and real founder tactics. Like, comment your next proof point, and join our community.